Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. I'm in our installation facilities today and I've got our JL LED tail light for you. So this is a very simple install. These are complete plug and play, no wiring, no cutting of the wires at all, no splicing. And all I need is a T30 Torx and a Phillips head screwdriver and a panel tool. All right, so the JL tail light is actually held in with one T30 bolt. You access it by popping this panel plug off, and then we will simply unbolt that. And with that one bolt out, we can now remove the factory JL tail light, press down here, and unplug it. And we're going to transfer this mounting bracket to the back of the Rough Country LED tail light. So we're back here at the bench and you can compare the Rough Country LED to the factory. You can see it's the same plug. You can see the Rough Country LED comes with the anti-flicker resistor and the mounting points are exact. What we're going to do now is remove these Phillips head screws, take this mounting bracket, install it on the Rough Country unit, and then install the Rough Country unit back on the Jeep. All right, we'll take the bracket from the factory light, line up our mounting points on the Rough Country LED. We're gonna install it, and then we'll be ready to drop it back in the Jeep. All right, let's get it back in the Jeep. And the Rough Country tail light simply plugs right in. Now we'll just reinstall the one bolt and the installation of the driver's side will be complete. That's it. So these are going to have the exact same functions as your factory tail lights: parking, brake, turn, and reverse light. But not only are they brighter than the factory tail lights, they just plain look better. They're DOT and SAE certified, so you don't have to worry about that. And they install very simply. And your return on investment aesthetically is incomparable. If you want a great looking tail light for your JL, look no further than the Rough Country LED tail light.